What's up, everybody? This is your boy Manuel. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to give you free websites that you can download mockups from. Depending on whatever you are doing, these websites here is going to give you free mockups for your work. But before I start, please don't forget to comment, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe in case you are new. Now, let's get into the video. All right, so the first on the list is MockupsJar, mockupsjar.com. You can see we have mockups, pricing, partnership, API, but we are here for mockups, so let's go to mockups. So they are saying that create realistic mockups for your awesome apps, 916 plus mockups. And these are the mockups that you are going to get. They have MacBook mockups, they have iMac mockups that you can just edit. They have frames, modern frames mockup. They have modern poster frames. They have these frames mockups here that I think in case you're a beginner or in case you're a pro, you need these mockups for your work. So they have exercise book mockups and other stuff that you can use. Let's go to packaging. These are all free. You just have to download them. Sometimes you may have to log in first or sign up before you can get access to things like this. So they have jars, they have packaging stuffs, they have cosmetic stuffs for branding, they have business cards, and all these bags are free to download. Let's go to apparel and see what they have with the apparel. So with the apparel, they have hoodie, they have label. So in case you are a clothing line company and you need labels for your works, you can just click label. Let's click label and see how it's done. Okay. So the thing is, you may have to download a mockup in case you want to get it on your PC, or you can upload your image. So in case you have a design, you upload it and then it will fix on it very well for you. You can go back to all the mockups and then come and start again. So we have simple t-shirts, long sleeve, short sleeve, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Let's go to the last one and then go back to the next one. We have iPhone mockups. So these are mockups that is going to load in a minute or few seconds. These are all mockups that you can download for your work. Good, we have it here now. These are all mockups that you can download for your work. In case you are using it for commercial, in case you are using it for personal or any other work. The next one is Behance or Behance. So I'm sure most of you is aware of Behance. Behance is a platform that you can learn ideas from people. You can also post your works to get feedback from people. You can as well get businesses or projects to do. And it is easy, which is sponsored or powered by Adobe. You can log in case you already have an account, or you can sign up in case you are new and you want to join Behance or Adobe. So let's say we want something like mood boards. Once we click on mood boards, we will get samples of mood boards loading. Good. So these are samples of the mood boards. We have this here, very colorful and nice. We have these cartoon mood boards here. We have this one here that you can get ideas from, and you can also as well download the mockups and use as your work. So let's go to this one and see how it's looking like. The designer's name is Karan Khan, and then she does these mood boards and these art stars, and it's amazing. You see how she's done the color combination, typography, normal poster, 3D animations and 3D arts, digital arts, and a lot of things. So you may have to know what you want. You type it here at the search and then you get it. So let's go to people. Let's go to people and see what is there. You can only download unless you sign up or you are logged in before you can download. So when you click on people, you see a lot of people uploaded their works over here, and then you can scroll through and see the work you want to. So let's go to one of these and see Anna. Okay, lucky. Anna is lucky. We are choosing here. So when we click on Anna's page, it is going to take us to the things she's done. You can follow her, you can message her in case you have any question or anything you want to ask, and then you are good to go. The next one is Unblast, unblast.com, unblast.com. You can get mockups, you can get fonts, you can get icons, you can get templates, you can get graphic stuffs, you can get 3D models, you can get colors, which is amazing. So a lot of things can be downloaded from this place. So as a designer, whether you're a pro or whether you are a beginner, it's very easy for you to access them. When you come here, you can see some are showing AI, Adobe Illustrator, some are showing PX. So depending on the software you are very comfortable with. For example, I can go for PX because I use PX, which is Photoshop. I can also go for AI because I use AI, which is Adobe Illustrator. So let's go and pick one and try to download it and see how it works. So let's see free stationery notebook mockup. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We have our mockup. You click on free download and it's going to start download in 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. It's supposed to come, so let's wait. I'm not going to download it though, but I'm showing you guys how it's done, and because I already have it in my files, so I don't really need it. But then once you click, it's supposed to give you access to download. In case you want to get newsletters from them, you can input your email here and then you'll be able to get access to files and softwares, fonts, icons, templates, and other graphic stuff. The next one is Pixident, like pixel, and then this one is den. So Pixident. With this website, you can get graphic design and other resources for websites, mockups, fonts, and so on and so forth. So we have hand holding PSD paper can here. We have stationary PSD letter or envelope. We have mini PSD paper cap. So these ones are mostly PSD, which is Photoshop document. PSD is Photoshop document. So when it comes to the next page, you get access to things like this. So let's say we want this one, we just click it and it's free. Yes, so it's saying free resources you can download. So once you click this one, you'll be able to get access to it, and then you can download and use for your next project. They have backgrounds here as well, which is very simple and nice. You can see they have paper patterns, they have subtle paper towel pattern. Once you try to hover on it, you see it's free, and people have liked and people have downloaded. So it means you can also download and use for your work as well. They have icons, they have vectors, and so on and so forth. We have mockups design. Okay, so they are saying I make mockups for you for fun, for free. Why? So over here you can search for anything. Let's search for stationery. Let's just type stationery. Let's just type stationery and see what is gonna come. Let's type stationery and see what's gonna come. So once you type stationery, we have something like this. We have something like this. We have these mockups showing up, which is easy to download. So let's try and see how it's been done. We'll click on this one. We will click on this one over here. You can close and go back again. Good. And go back again. So we have this one here. These are the mockups. These are the mockups. These are the mockups. And you are good to go. So in case you want to use any of them, you come here, you scroll down to where the download is, you click download, and then you have access to it and you'll be able to use it. The last but not the least is freepik.com. So with Freepik, I know most of you will know it, beginners, pros, anybody, because it is one of the most used websites that people get access to mockups and graphic design resources. So when it comes to Freepik, they have vectors, they have photos, they have PSD. PSD is Photoshop documents, don't forget. They have fonts, they have categories, selections or collections, and more. So whatever you need, so let's say company flyer. Once we type company flyer and click on search, it is going to give us something to download. Yeah, so we have here images and PSD files from Freepik. That is easy to download and simple. You just have to select one. So I'll go for this green and white here, and we are good to go. Okay, so now we have it here. You can click download and then you are good to go. That is it. So these are the websites or places you can get free Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, mockups to download. They have vectors, they have PSD, they have anything that you are looking for. You can get it over here. You just have to type in whatever you want and then you'll be able to get it. So we have MockupsJar, we have Behance, we have Blast, we have here Pixident, we have Mockups Design, and finally we have Freepik. So these are the websites that you can get free mockups for a graphic design or any other thing that you are doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe in case you are new. The bell icon is so important to me. Hit it up for me so you don't miss any video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.